let me do what I do. Just be you in the background.
Do me over here, man.
Okay, just do you. So, if y'all don't know, CVOs come with a fob similar to a car, so you can lock and unlock your saddlebags. But on your Tour-Pak, you would still have to use the key to lock it and unlock it. So in the, what was that, 2019 Limited?
2019 CVOs. And the 2021 Ultra, CVO Ultras, the Street Glide version, they come with a King Tour-Pak and they come with a lock and everything.
So what
Lights come with it.
So what he's saying is, when you do this, on those models, the Tour-Pak would also lock instead of doing the key. So my buddy over here, he has at least, probably, what'd you say, a fourth or fifth grade education?
Yeah, third.
Third grade?
Yeah.
So he went online and said, hey, Harley still sells the actuators and all the parts for those particular models. I wonder if I were to install one on a King Tour-Pak, could I get it to work alongside my fob? So what I'm doing today is I'm going to put an actuator in my King Tour-Pak, and so that way I can hit the lock and unlock on my CVO as well. First person view. I'm going all the way through.
Yeah, no turning back, man.
So tell them what you're doing.
So right here, I'm making a connector harness. So the quick disconnect harness is gonna go from the this is the actuator.
Yeah.
Underneath the seat and tap into the wire harness. So Harley doesn't sell this harness separately from the factory harness. It usually comes as one when you have the entire CVO set up with a limited or an ultra. So you gotta do what you gotta do.
So we're in the middle of installing the actuator. Got the hole all drilled out. And as my companion, my comrade was stating earlier, We already got the quick disconnect to run under the seat, to tap into the harness. So the issue that I'm running into now is these screws right here, of course, are too short to go all the way through the lock or the handle, whatever you want to call it, into the actuator. It is now January 14, 2025. So let's finish this Tour-Pak. So these are the screws that you're gonna need, at least from, if you're gonna pick them up from Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever hardware place you find. But they are 8 by 32, 1 inch. You all see that?
No information be at the bottom of the video, man.
The information will be at the bottom of the video, man. Maybe, if I can figure out how to do this. So we're about to drill a hole here. And you probably can't see it. Drill a hole here so we can run the cable for the actuator through there under the seat. All right, as you can see, we got everything buttoned up, license plate hooked up, no more bump. Put this rear light, Tour-Pak light on. Got the liner in the bag. This liner don't fit as good as you think it does, man. Still kind of, loose, but I don't know, maybe it's a way you can take some double-sided tape or something and get it down. It's all right. Let me show you how these lights work, or how they look. Got this sequential lighting. Pretty dope. Show you how the actuator's working. It's unlocked down. Unlocked. And there you go. How we do, Gizzy? You like it? Say, I don't care. I'm gonna open this pack because I got it unlocked. So when I hit lock, it's still on. Oh, you don't have this hooked up yet?
It's not hooked up yet.
It's not hooked up yet. Oh. 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 Damn. You ever been on that fentanyl before?
What, man?
So, we're unlocked. We're unlocked. We're unlocked. See, we're unlocked. I think the ground came loose. I think I got it unlocked. That's my mom calling me. Peace.
What you doing?
Making a video.
What you do?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
Peace.
Peace. All right. Let's do that again.